Hello friend, welcome to 5 Best Tools Review. On this video we are reviewing the top 5 best essential oils diffuser. We made the list based on around opinion research and customer reviews, and all those products are top selling. Essential oil diffusers have become a popular addition to homes and wellness spaces, offering a natural way to enhance the atmosphere and promote relaxation. These devices disperse essential oils into the air, allowing you to enjoy the therapeutic benefits of aromatherapy. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, improve sleep, or simply add a pleasant scent to your environment, essential oil diffusers come in various designs and functionalities to suit your needs. With options ranging from ultrasonic to nebulizing diffusers, there's a perfect choice for every space and lifestyle. In this guide, we'll explore the top 5 best essential oil diffusers, highlighting their features, benefits, and why they stand out in the market. Number 5. Visco 560 ml Essential Oils Diffuser. The diffuser's design is unique, featuring a flame volcano look that adds a decorative element to its practical function. The 560 ml capacity allows for prolonged use without the need for constant refills, making it suitable for bedrooms, offices, or spa environments. It's compact enough to fit on a desk or nightstand, blending easily into various settings like a bedroom, spa, yoga studio, or office. With a humidifying capacity of 30 ml per hour, the visco diffuser efficiently adds moisture to the air, covering an area of 11 to 20. It operates quietly at under 36 decibels, making it ideal for use during sleep or in a work environment, where noise can be a distraction. The mist outlet is singular but effective, providing a consistent mist discharge that ensures even distribution of both humidity and essential oils. The device is powered via USB and operates at 10 W, making it energy efficient. It comes with a remote control, allowing for easy operation from a distance. The diffuser also includes useful features like a timing function and water shortage power-off protection, ensuring safe and convenient use. Number 4. Xiaomi Essential Oils Diffuser. The diffuser has a classic columnar shape, giving it a sleek and minimalistic look that blends well with various home decors. Its small size and lightweight design, coupled with USB power type and installation, make it portable and easy to set up in different locations. The device operates via a touch-tone humidity control system, which adds a modern and user-friendly touch. One of the standout features of this diffuser is its humidifying capacity of 300 ml per hour. Despite its compact size, it can effectively add moisture to the air, which helps in relieving dry air problems, especially during winter or in air-conditioned environments. The mist outlet provides a consistent and fine mist, ensuring even distribution of moisture and essential oils throughout the room. The device operates within a noise range of 36 decibels 45 decibels, which is quiet enough not to disturb your sleep or work. It is designed with a water shortage power-off protection feature, automatically shutting off when the water level is too low, preventing damage to the device and ensuring safety. Number 3. KINSCOTER 605 Essential Oils Diffuser. The KINSCOTER 605 Essential Oils Diffuser is a compact and efficient aromatherapy device that stands out with its unique design and reliable functionality. With a sleek modern shape that mimics a small volcano, it adds a stylish touch to any room, while creating a calming ambience. One of the standout features is its ultrasonic technology, which ensures a fine mist output of 15 to 20 ml per hour. This is ideal for small spaces, covering areas of less than 10 effectively. Despite its small size, it has a capacity of 130 ml, which is perfect for continuous use over several hours. The diffuser also includes a water shortage power-off protection feature, so you don't have to worry about it running dry. The USB power type is convenient for home and office use, making it easy to plug in wherever you need it. The colored LED light adds an extra layer of relaxation, especially in dim settings, and can be a lovely nightlight. With noise levels under 36 decibels, it's extremely quiet, making it suitable for you. Number 2. KINSCOTER 550 ml Essential Oils Diffuser. The KINSCOTER 550 ml Essential Oils Diffuser is a versatile and elegant option for those who want to improve their home's ambience, while also benefiting from aromatherapy. Here's a breakdown of its features and performance. The KINSCOTER diffuser boasts a sleek and modern design, fitting effortlessly into any room's decor. It's available in various shapes, ensuring it can match different interior styles. Its compact and portable nature makes it easy to place on a tabletop or any other flat surface. With a 550 ml water tank, the diffuser can operate for several hours without needing a refill, making it ideal for prolonged use. It has a humidifying capacity of 30 ml per hour, which is sufficient for rooms ranging from 11 to 20 square meters. This makes it suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, and small offices. The diffuser functions as both a humidifier and an aromatherapy device. It uses ultrasonic technology to disperse a fine mist of water and essential oils into the air. This not only humidifies the environment, but also fills the room with a pleasant fragrance, enhancing relaxation. Number 1. HAOYUNMA Essential Oils Diffuser. The diffuser features a sleek modern design that seamlessly blends into any decor. Its compact size and lightweight construction make it highly portable, allowing you to move it easily from one room to another. The mist outlet is strategically placed to ensure optimal diffusion of essential oils into the air. This device doubles as a dehumidifier and a diffuser, providing two functions in one. It uses ultrasonic technology to create a fine mist, ensuring even distribution of essential oils without heating them, which helps to preserve their therapeutic properties. The mist discharge method is gentle and produces a consistent, even flow of mist. Operating at less than 36 decibels, the HAOYUNMA diffuser is incredibly quiet. This makes it an excellent choice for use in bedrooms or workspaces where a quiet environment is essential. You can enjoy the benefits of aromatherapy without any distracting noise. The device operates at a low voltage of 5V and consumes just 5 watts of power, making it energy efficient. Thank you guys for watching this video. Check the description box and click for all the information about those products. Please subscribe my channel for more update.